taking one step forward, but always two steps back. Like every time I seem to come around and straighten out, somehow I get knocked off track. But when I felt like I was down and out, all my friends, they carried me. Well, how did I get so damn lucky to fall into friends like these? Now there's been times when I haven't even had a dollar to my name, but I've seen money come and I've seen money go, and I've seen friends that have done the same. They say a man's only as good as the company he keeps. Well, how did I get so damn lucky to fall into friends like these? Well, not much in life is certain, but still there is one thing that I know. Just working off this borrowed time, can't take nothing with us when we go. So when it's all been said and done, all we have is those memories that we leave. Well, how did I get so damn lucky to be making mine with friends like these? Friends like these, friends like these, friends like